Guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, baby. We are back at the Knap. Hopefully we can get into a few rays. I mean, we'll just fish for whatever's in front of us, to be honest. But we are still chasing our Welsh slam. So we're gonna give it a go, and you never know. Zero wind. The water is a bit more see-through. There's more clarity in the water than what I would like. Sometimes it can put the fishing off. But it's about 5 mile an hour wind. It's not much, to be honest. And we're gonna see if we can pull anything out. I've actually forgot my tripod. I even just walked all the way back to the car. Well, I say all the way back to the car. It's not that far. But walked back to the car to see if my tripod was in there. But lucky enough, I got one of them things that the GoPro go on. It's like a sticky, and I've stuck it on my box and mounted my GoPro to that. So that is going to have to do. Seems to be okay. But we'll just see how we get on with it. Baits today: mackerel, bluey, sand eel, squid. I have got 2 crab. And I have got 2 new products to show the channel. This is not a sale thing. These are just 2 things that I've bought myself. Let me get one, 2 seconds. So after all the time that I've been trying to find one, I finally managed to get myself a Cedra cool box. Managed to get myself and my dad one. There was 2 left, and we got them both. And the other thing, as some people might have seen already if you're on my socials, I have upgraded my rod to the Sentry Eliminator T900 with the SGT. I think it means super glass tip. Absolutely insane rod. Love it. Absolutely love it. I'll give you guys a look in a minute. There's a charter boat out in the water out there. And there's a few other people fishing here. There's a lot of people walking their dogs. The weather's absolutely boiling. So, let's see if we can pick up a few fish. It's about a few hours before high, sorry. We're gonna fish it a few hours either side of high. Fingers crossed we can get something for you lot. And let's keep fishing. Let's go. Look at that plane. Look at that. Stunning. So guys, that cast there you just see me cast with, it's on the casting special on the new rod. Sentry Eliminator T900 SGT. So now we've got two glass tips. Got the Sentry Fireblade GT. I've got that now on the Pen 525. The moment I am gonna get another casting special. But we got two glass tips now, and they are absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So yeah, happy days. See how clear the water is. It's really clear, which is probably not going to work in our favor today, but you never know. Let's give it a go. Let's keep fishing. So I've chucked out sandeel and squid, mackerel and squid, bluey and squid. Coming up to high water now, and I've only been here for about 2 hours, but we haven't had a touch yet. So last time I was here, sugar. Last time I was here, basically everything that we caught was on straight squid. So you know what that means? You never know if you don't give it a go. Just gonna put a full squid on, with the head on as well. On the dingle dangle dongle. And we're gonna try. Give it a blast. Met a few people, well, I say a few people. I went down the Pebbles, took some guy, he said, you've seen the videos. So if you see this, top man, mate, I appreciate your support. The last time I was here as well, there was people from, can't really remember where they were from, but they were from away, and they was looking to come over here and fish, and obviously they was typing in South Wales marks or whatever where they was looking to fish, and obviously we had done a video there, so I went and spoke to them last time as well, and they had watched the channel. So yeah, question is I had a look at the analytics on my YouTube the other day, and 80, I think it was 80 or 70 odd percent of people who watch my videos ain't subscribed. So guys, if you're watching right now and you ain't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It's free. Now it would help me out a lot, and push the videos out more. If you could drop a like on the video as well, that helps out. But no, seriously, thank you guys. Let's get this bait out there. Let's go, bro. Bring you back. Let's go. She's out there, mush. Don't know why I can't get that word out my head. My lines are like literally on top of each other, which is not good because if we get a fish, it's gonna tangle. Oh well. I'll bring you back. Guys who like these peppered steak pasties, you know what brand they are. Studs, I think. Absolutely stunning. The sun is up here, so I think what I'm going to do is going to face my rods the other way. Bit of a stupid idea for me, to be honest. The way my rods are facing is the ways the wind's blowing, so it's literally in your face. So what I'm going to do is turn my back to the wind and face over towards that way. Even though it's not really that much windy, I don't know whether you can pick it up on the camera, but another plane coming in there. It's not that windy, but it's not nice to have the wind in your face, is it? Not nice at all, like. Don't forget, guys, rubbish. Put it in your box, take it home. Let's not be one of them people. In fact, if you fish in Knaps, all bins all along there, so there's no excuse to actually leave any rubbish. It's high water now as well. Hopefully we'll get something on the turn. But you never know. Give it a go. Don't know why I always say that, you know. Oh well, let's keep fishing. Let's go. The tide is on the turn now. Starting to go out. I've just banged another sand eel and squid bait out. I've tried small baits, medium baits. Now I got a free sand eel with, well, full squid on it. I've just took the head off. Full squid, free sand eel, and just whacked it. So hopefully we can pick something up. I haven't seen anyone around the beach, along the beach, catch anything either. Everybody's banging out baits, what I can see of, and I haven't seen anything coming out. So maybe it's just one of those days, you live and you learn. But we still got a chance. Still got a few hours fishing. I don't give up. That's one thing I don't do, I don't give up. I'll try until I can. I'll try and try and try. And that's where you find rewards, you know? So all you can do is try. If you don't try, you won't know. Like I've come down here today on a different tide to the last video I'd done down here. Oh, I just had a tap on that rod there. I don't know if you've just seen that. Just had a nice little tap on that then. Yes, you kind of work out what tides fish better. Like I said, you just gotta get out and give it a go. I've changed, I've turned around now, so the sun is behind me. so I'm facing the rod and the wind's behind my back. Excuse me. I am going to try and invest in some tidy mics for like the wind and the audio will be a bit better as well. Yeah, I've watched a few other videos and I've got my eye on a set of mics. If you've seen Dean Booker's video on VMO, he's got the CGI mics. They sound really good, to be fair. So if you watch Veal's mail order and watch Dean's videos, he wears the mics and they sound really good. They are quite expensive, not gonna lie, but I mean it's something I'm gonna look into getting. I mean, getting everything gradually comes, you know. Like I said, just started 2 months ago, and won't be long, and hopefully we should have everything together. Gonna do a Chesil trip, I think, in the next month as well, so keep your eyes peeled for a video up there. And guys, if there's anyone not local to South Wales, let me know. What marks do you want to see me fish? I mean, anywhere around South Wales is local to me, so and I can let you know how it's fishing. It's what it's about, helping each other out. And yeah, right, less of the talking, let's get fishing. Hopefully that bite produces to something. You never know. Let's go. Once I caught a little fishy, once I caught a little fishy, once I caught a little fishy. When the boat comes in, give me a... Yeah. Once I caught a little fishy, once I caught a little... Once I caught a little fishy when the boat comes in. Go on, Dad, have you got fresh ones out? Woo! So, still a bit quiet. So, I've got 2 crab in my box. Only means one thing. It's a good crab bait out there. See if we can pick something up on it. Let's go. Come on, the fish. Well, what a session. We've blanked. We've officially blanked unless I've got something on the end of this by the time I get it in. This is the last cast. Probably leave her in the water for another 5-10 minutes. If nothing on there, gonna call it quits. Don't mind though, I've got out for a few hours, got my fix, had a few casts, and got out by the water, which is the main thing. Like I said, you can only catch what's in front of you, and yeah, it's just about getting out and trying. But had a few casts, got my fix, and now happy days.
Wind has picked up now. Is it actually blowing a gale? Well, all session I've been looking up and down the beach. I haven't seen anybody pull anything in. Been banging sand eel and squid baits out, bluey baits out, mackerel baits out. I even chucked the crab bait out. I think this is the direct sun and the water clarity. I think a fish is better in the night when it's like this. So, you can only catch what's in front of us. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to drop a like, comment, and if you're new here, if you could drop a sub, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.